Hello there. It's obvious you are here because you would like to learn the ways of the stock market and become successful. We are here to help you with just that. Lots of people would love to invest in the stock market and earn lots of money, but they just don't understand how to go about this. The technical terms associated with the stock market can sometimes seem difficult and overwhelming. We would prefer to just stay away from these. But what if there was a way in which these could be made easy, where you could do less and earn more? We have just the solution to this. We welcome you on board this exciting journey to learn more. Achieving success in the stock market is kind of like skillfully putting together a jigsaw puzzle. Not only would we like to see you become successful at the stock market, but we would also like you to become an informed and intelligent trader. And we keep in mind that this is done at zero brokerage. This is why we have Infinite Refundable Trading Plan. Here you get unlimited monthly trading options at zero brokerage. What's more, in case you don't trade that month, the entire amount is refunded to your account. We strive to help you become an intelligent trader. This is why we have an awesome plan. AHA! This is extremely useful for intraday traders. By means of data analysis, you get to know if your trading patterns are right or wrong. And by means of advanced pattern recognition and risk profiling, you get the most detailed mirror you've ever stared at. If you do not have a lot of time to spend in front of a computer, we have AMS, Alerts Management System. Here you can set alerts and get news or price alerts of your chosen stock through email or SMS. InfiniPower is for all kinds of traders. This is an easy to use software. By means of technical research and analysis, combined with live research calls on mobile and instant trade SMS, you get to stay ahead in the stock market. Trade Plus provides you a platform to invest in IPOs, bonds, mutual funds. So this is a one-stop portal for all investments alike. This helps you stay ahead in the market and also to diversify your risks and investments. What if you are a new investor? No worries. Trade Plus offers Demat account and PAN card processing to facilitate your entry into India's financial markets. For all the NRIs, we have one of the largest NRI networks in South India and cater to a wide geographical base. NRI trading is as easy as a pie with Trade Plus. Our unparalleled customer support ensures that you have a hassle-free experience. Enreach, our official blog, where you can participate to give your feedback and network with other traders. When you join us and refer your friends, you begin to earn instantly. So joining together all essential pieces of the jigsaw gives you Trade Plus, your number one support in the stock market. So what are you waiting for? Join us today and open your zero brokerage trading account at zero account opening fee. Thank you for listening.